Terra Classic top 3 burning portal apart from Binance. These three together have now destroyed 4.3 billion coins of Terra Classic. Yes, they are the second, third, and fourth apart from Binance. We all know Binance they are almost hitting 37 billion, but I'm not mentioning after Binance who are the highest burner of Terra Classic. What do they have? Will they continue to burn? Will they continue to support? We want to know where this coin will be heading to. What are their contribution? But right now, at the time of recording, the top 3 apart from Binance have actually destroyed 4.3 billion coins of Terra Classic LUNC. Now, Lunatic token have actually destroyed 1,976,175,010 coins of Terra Classic. YDF LUNC protocol have destroyed 1,312,848,460 coins of Terra Classic. And finally, MEXC have destroyed 1,017,243,371 Terra Classic coin, bringing the top total amount to over 4.3 billion Terra Classic coins have been destroyed by Lunatic token, by DFLUNC, and MEXC. 4.3 billion. Wow, I think they tried. Now take a look at this list I just mentioned. You discover there is no Kucoin. I think Kucoin is the 10th, number 10 burner. But there is no Kucoin, there is no crypto.com, there is no Gate.io, there is no Kraken, there is no Bybit, and other top crypto exchanges apart from Binance. You ask yourself what is going on. For me, I think, well, this shows that in terms of destroying coins, you can never let some crypto exchange, even if they're not popular, or you can never let so many things down. But anything can happen. So right now, for me, I believe anything can happen. But before that, please remember, this is not a financial advice. So once again, thank you for stopping by. Now, let's hope for these three to continue to to continue to destroy, sorry for using that word, to continue to destroy Terra Classic LUNC coin. So for me, I believe that they will continue to burn Terra Classic coin. They will continue to destroy Terra Classic coin, and I believe if they can hit, these three can hit at least 10 billion burn of Terra Classic, it will furthermore help Terra Classic LUNC. But for now, I still believe that LUNC Terra Classic coin definitely is going to rise. Once again, but please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.